Tehran, 1974. A woman walks freely past cinemas and music that would soon disappear. She lived openly. Today, many people refuse to believe that photograph is real. But it's real. Thousands of forgotten photographs reveal a very different Iran. In the 1970s, Tehran earned the nickname the Paris of the Middle East. Tehran was modern, wealthy, and alive, with a nightlife rivaling Europe's greatest cities. Oil made Iran rich, but the real story wasn't the wealth, it was what followed. Women studied, worked, and held powerful positions across Iran before the revolution. The biggest surprise is still ahead. It changed everything people thought they knew. In 1963, the Shah launched sweeping reforms to rapidly modernize Iran from the top. Land reforms expanded opportunity, while literacy programs brought education to remote villages across Iran. In 1963, Iranian women gained voting rights, earlier than many expected. Top-down reforms can create progress, but they don't always build lasting public support. One exiled cleric spent years building a movement that would change Iran forever. The Shiraz Arts Festival brought world-class music and theater to ancient Persepolis. Iran's new wave cinema flourished, with women appearing on screen without headscarves. Nightclubs played pop and rock as Googoosh rose to national fame across Iran. University campuses featured mixed classes, cafes, and fashions rarely associated with modern Iran. That prosperity reached only a small elite. The divide helps explain the coming revolution. Behind Tehran's glamour, millions lived without sharing its wealth or opportunities. Oil wealth grew, but many ordinary Iranians struggled as prices rose beyond their wages. Then came SAVAK, the Shah's feared secret police and symbol of state control. Political opposition was suppressed. Critics faced surveillance, arrests, and severe consequences. Iran held two realities at once: cultural freedom and political repression. That balance would eventually collapse. By 1977, Iran faced rising unrest as economic problems exposed deep political tensions. In 1978, protests erupted after Khomeini was attacked, creating a cycle of mourning and unrest. A cycle of grief became a nationwide uprising, growing stronger with every passing month. By 1978, millions marched together, united against the Shah and his rule. In 1979, the Shah fled Iran. Weeks later, Khomeini returned to massive crowds. The revolution fractured quickly, becoming something many protesters never expected. After 1979, the old culture was erased and replaced with a new revolutionary identity. Outside Iran, the revolution's story was simplified, hiding both oppression and public anger. Both sides held pieces of truth, but neither showed the full, complicated reality. Diaspora Iranians preserve old photos of a past many believe history has forgotten. How much of history do we know, and how much is only a simplified version? In 1974, Tehran, would you see prosperity or a nation nearing collapse? Comment your thoughts and discover next how Iran's exiled generation rebuilt their lives.